There you are. Hi. How are you? I am just relaxing right now, but I had a video request. This video, hello, is for all my people that are interested in increasing their income, the people that have ordered the business bundle packages from me before, the people that are interested in starting a business, and maybe they're choosing oils. Maybe they like oils, but they're going to choose oils because I'm offering the little dram bottles that you can make money off of. I'm selling them wholesale just as a compliment to my young entrepreneurs that are serious. We respect each other, and we can do business like that. If we can't respect each other, we won't be doing business anymore. No. But, yeah. All right, I'm unboxing. So you can kind of watch me unbox. This is the box. This is the box. I got my bottles. Well, you know, I have these. And when I get this like this, I'm like, oh, but they help. They're cushiony. They're cushiony. Oh, and by the way, if you ever pack boxes, like when you put your order in and you get packages, because one time I sent a package and the labels came off. The labels came off of them, but they were the little bottles though, but the labels came off. And some people are real irritable, when you make a mistake and things like that. So just be careful with that. And I made a mistake, but I packed them perfectly the last time. And because I didn't hear any feedback, I know it was the right thing to do. But here are the ounces. And thank you for people that order the ounces. The original Egyptian Musk, Black Woman Unique, Fahrenheit, Body, just on and on. These are the ounces. Thanks for ordering. And I have original Egyptian Musk in my mix today. But I wanted to get these bottles out. What are these? What's this? Black coconut? Is this black coconut? Yeah. Oh no, that's my patchouli. Yes. That's my patchouli. Oh my goodness, my imported patchouli. Yes. That's on my website too. But if she wanted to know, these are the pounds. Pounds for $100. And she was asking about bigger bottles. Pounds for $100. Where you can get 1 ounce. 25. And it comes with the fat jumbo roll-on. Let's see. Just twisting it off. Like that. That's how it comes, like this. I'm on my table. I got all kinds of stuff on it tonight. But original Egyptian Musk, I have my mix. This fragrances. But no. I mean, the answer is just no. Check no. I don't mix my things with anything. They come already. And when you say that, the oils are naturally extracted. You can click the link below and check out what is Egyptian Musk, and that I really go into extensive detail about what the oil is and how it comes. But in a nutshell, it's extracted. It might be a carrier oil. It might be some kind of carrier oil as far as another scent to make this one scent. But as far as mixing and pouring and things like that, no. When you buy my oils, whatever size, and even the dram bottles, which I am, let me get these out. Because these are my complimentary. But hey, I sell these too outside. This is how I started with my drams. Now I know a lot of people do the 1/3. My son's book. I know a lot of people do the 1/3 ounce. But this, I'm opening it. These bottles. Look, I'm like savage on it. Stuff's falling, and it's okay. Oh, here they are. This is what you're gonna get. It's like these. Ta-da! Home of the dram. That's how I started on these dram bottles. Dram. Now, I know a lot of people are used to the longer ones, the 1/3 ounce ones, but we do these. And if you rock with me, you sell them for $3. If you're doing a nice thing or a gesture for someone like I'm doing, and you sell them for $6 retail, I'm selling you for these for $3 a piece. $3 as a courtesy, because I want you to win, and you will. The quality oil in here, and you sell it for $6. I sell it to you for $3. Complimentary business bundle package that I'm offering, and you sell it for $6. Sell it for $6, and that's what I sell it for. But I'm giving it to you for $3. So you could do 3 times 15, or 3 times, what is it, 30? And that's the price. 15 times 3, because you're getting 15 bottles, or 30 bottles times 3. I don't mix the oils at all. They are already the way they are. You don't pre-mix it with alcohol. Now, you can make a spritzer. People do that all the time. You make a spritzer, and you could be known for that, making a spritzer. Take your oil, as long as it's quality. All mine are. Put oil in there. Fill it halfway, however you want to do it. Because some of my customers do it themselves. They buy oil from me. They'll buy the pound. Or some people buy the 4 ounce, because I do the 4 ounce. Like they'll buy a size like this. These are my 4 ounces. These are my 4 ounces, honey. Manufacturer only. Yeah. So, and the 4 ounces are, what's my 4 ounces? If you want 4 ounces, kind of let me know. I think, where's my 4 ounce? I think my 4 ounces is like 50 or so. Yeah, but if you're selling them, I mean, you get Bang & Oil, and you could get your bottles and make your money back like that. Especially if you have the clientele. So I'm not going to let this video be real long. If you want to know the real history of the extracted oils, click the link at the bottom. What is the original Egyptian musk? I really break it down there. And bottom line, I'm just unboxing. I showed you the box. I mean, I don't have... Oh, okay, there's still stuff in here. But I just wanted to come to say, you know, with a video. And to explain the business bundle, because that's in here. And then, you know, the pounds and all that kind of thing. And just to say hi. And I'll be back a little bit later on the next video. But leave a comment. Share this video with someone that wants to start a business outside, or... you don't have... I know outside is too much, but I started mine outside. But outside or inside. Have a good night. And... subscribe to me if you want to ask me questions. I have a Self-Made Money Gang group that some people have been joining. Thank you. And that link's at the bottom too.